Have you ever wondered if these Impress press-on nails are any good? I tried them out and I have the answer for you. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm filming my very first beauty video. My channel up until now has been a home decor channel with the goal of helping my viewers create a home that they love and feel confident in. So I'm gonna start branching out and trying some beauty videos too. My goal with this is very similar to my goal with all of my home decor videos, but instead of being about your house, it's about you. I wanna help you create a you that you love and that you feel confident in. So to start out with my first beauty video, I'm going to be talking about nails, which are my absolute favorite. For anybody that has known me for just about any amount of time, know that I am obsessed with my nails. I have been a nail polish addict. I love having my nails done. I love getting my nails done, and I love my nails looking nice. I had seen these Impress press-on nails online and on Instagram, and even my friend was using them, and they look so good that I wanted to try them for the longest time, but I was nervous because as a nail polish addict and somebody who likes their nails done all the time, I'm very picky about how my nails are done. I'm very good at doing my own nails. I started doing my own French manicures at 14. My cousin taught me how to do it, and I've been in love with my nails ever since. Because of that, I'm very, very picky about how my nails look, and I was nervous to try these out. I ended up being convinced to give it a try, so I wanted to share with you my experience, the pros and cons, and everything that I thought about these Impress press-on nails. Pro number one is that they are easy to apply. So I'm going to talk about the application process of these nails really quick. Inside the package of the nails, there is this guide. This guide shows you how to put on the nails. So I'm going to talk you through that. What you're going to do is open the box and start going through the nails, and you're just going to hold up the nails up against your nail to find the ones that fit your nails. There are 36 nails in the box, so you need to find the ones that fit each of your fingers, and then you're going to lay them out on whatever surface that you're doing this in order. So you're gonna lay them out in front of you, and you're gonna start with one pinky on one side and go all the way to the other side to the other pinky, so they're all ready to be put on your nails. Once you have them all picked out, you're going to use the included alcohol pad. So that is this here. And you're gonna wipe down your nails to get off any dust and debris, get them cleaned and prepped, ready to put the press-on nails on. Then you're gonna start from your pinky of one hand, and you'll be working your way from the outside at your pinkies into your thumbs. Your thumbs will be done last. You're going to peel the little plastic piece off, place it on your nail, and then you're going to press it on to activate the adhesive. The adhesive is a pressure sensitive adhesive, so you're gonna press on your nail starting at the center and working your way out to the outside of your nail. Press it on really good, and then you're going to work your way in. The way that I do it is I start with my pinky, so I do left pinky, right pinky, left ring finger, right ring finger, so on, all the way to your thumbs. That way the thumbs are the last ones to put on because you are pressing on with your thumb all your other nails, so you want that to be the last ones that you put on. Because the adhesive is pressure sensitive, I like to, once I get all of the nails on, I press them on really good one last time, and then you can file them if you want. The nails are a little bit longer than what I like, so I file them down. I was worried about filing them down the very first time that I had them on. I thought maybe they would pop off, but that's not a problem. So you just file them down to the shape and the length that you want. So the whole process is very easy, and depending on how much you have to file, that's the really time-consuming part for me. Picking them out and putting them on is fast and super easy. The next pro is that you don't have to wait for your nails to dry. If you're somebody like me who does your nails at home all of the time, it can be a pain to wait for them to dry, and if you don't wait long enough, then they smudge and you mess them up. That's a huge pro with these nails. You just put them on, file them to the length that you want, and you're ready to go. So that's great if you don't have a lot of time for your nails to dry. This is perfect for that. The next pro is that they look really nice. I'm somebody that I used to all of the time get acrylic nails done. Now, these don't look exactly like acrylic nails, but from far away, they look almost as good. The very first time that I did these nails, I went to my mom's house and she thought that I had on acrylics until I pointed it out and kind of showed it to her. Then she realized that they weren't. So they look really nice and they look like they are, I would say, professional-ish. If you get up really, really close, you can tell that they are not acrylics. They weren't professionally done. And I'll talk about that a little bit in the cons later, but they look pretty professional. I think that these would look great for, let's say, a party or a nice event. Maybe you don't want to spend the money to go out and get your nails done. You can just pick up a set of these and pop them on and you're ready to go and your nails look very nice. If you're someone who's not very good at painting your nails and making them look nice, this is perfect for that. The next pro is that these are a great price. Depending on where you buy them from, they can be anywhere from $6 to $8. You can buy them at your local grocery store, you can buy them at the drugstore, and you can buy them online. So it just really depends on where you get them. Several times recently, I've seen them on sale at my local grocery store, so you can get a better deal on them. Going with the last pro that I said about them looking really nice, these can be a great alternative to going to get your nails done, and especially going to get acrylics done. A full set of acrylics is gonna cost you at least $30, so these are significantly less than that. The next pro is that you can customize the nails for yourself. They come with a set of accent nails. Now on this box, it's showing the accent nail on the ring finger. You may be somebody who likes accent nails and you may be somebody who doesn't like accent nails. No matter, you can still use these. I used them once where I did like the accent nail and I used it. And the last time that I used them with these light pink nails, I didn't use the accent nail. Like I said, there are 36 nails in the box. So if you don't want the accent nail, you can do all one color. I have also seen my friend do this and she's done 2 different accent nails on her nails. Because of that, you can customize it and choose the look that you want for yourself. My next pro is that they last a long time. I have tried other press-on nails in the past that would just pop off all the time, just randomly, and I had a lot of issues with them. So that was a big reason that I was very hesitant to try these, because like I said, I'm very picky about my nails, and if one of them were to pop off, it would make me very upset and I'd want it fixed right away. I can't hang with a nail that's missing. If nails are chipped, it drives me nuts. So this was the biggest reason that I was hesitant to try these. My friend has used these in the past and she's kind of the one that convinced me to finally try them, and she is very rough on her nails. It doesn't matter if she has acrylics on, if she has the impressed nails on, if her nails are just painted, she's still gonna use her nails to pry things open and whatever, whereas I'm somebody who is very careful. So I expected them to last pretty long on me. They last very long on my friend. They last about 2 weeks for her and then they will start coming off. For me, both times that I have tried these, they have lasted at least 2 weeks, and I had to physically remove them from my nails. None of the times that I have tried these has one popped off or even felt like it was coming close to coming off. This past time that I had them on for 15 days and I had to remove them. I did a lot with those nails on. I filmed my fridge clean with me video that I did a couple of weeks ago, and my hands were in soapy water for about an hour cleaning out the shelves. I went swimming where I was playing with my friend's kids and they were jumping with me in the pool and I was catching them. And another time when I had a different set on, we ended up cleaning our boat and getting down and scrubbing and doing a lot of vacuuming, and I thought for sure one of them was going to pop off before we started, and it didn't. Like I said, each time that I have used these, I've had to physically take them off. In the box that comes with the nails, they give you this orange wood stick, and that's used for pushing back your cuticles before you actually do your nails. And both of the times that I have used these nails, I've had to use that stick and I put it up underneath the nail and use it to pry off the adhesive, because I couldn't just grab it and take it off. They were stuck on that well. So this is the #1 pro for me, that they last a long time. And my last pro for these nails is that they don't ruin your natural nail whenever you take them off. Like I said, I've had to pry them off both of the times that I have used them, and they have not ruined my nails. If you're somebody that's ever had acrylics before, you know what it does to your nail. Whenever you take it off, your nail is messed up, you have a big ridge in your nail, and even painting your nails doesn't look as good as before, and you've got to grow it out. I'm the type of person that likes to change my nails very often, and so whenever I would take off my acrylics, I'd be super upset about the way that my nails looked. When I'm taking these off, it's not ruining my nail. There are a couple little places on my nail this past time that weren't ruined, they were just kind of scuffed up a little bit, and just some buffing before I painted my nails took care of it. It wasn't an issue. So that's a huge thing. You get nails that last for 2 weeks, and when you take it off, your nail is not ruined. You can move on and put another set on if you want, or you can paint them. Now let's move on to the cons. The first con for me is that they don't fit your nails perfectly. Like I said several times, there are 36 nails in this package, so you have a good range to choose from. However, not all of them are going to fit your nails perfectly. It just depends on you and your nail shape. Some of them fit me great and they look almost perfect on my nails, and other ones, when I look at them from the side, I can still see my nail a little bit underneath them. To me, yes, it's a con because it doesn't look perfect like acrylic nails, but since I'm paying $6 for these, it's not something that bothers me. Other people looking at my nails are not going to see that. They're only gonna see it if you point it out to them and they're looking up really close. So it's not something that really bothers me. I just try to find the ones that fit my nails the best. The next con is that the nails don't fit flush on your natural nails. When you're getting acrylic nails done, they are bonding that powder to your actual nail. So it's going to be completely flush with your nail. These are setting on top of your nail. Because of the way that the adhesive is, it's more like a gel adhesive instead of a liquid like a lot of other popular press-on nails. It's what makes it stick on so well, but it kind of makes it sit up from your nail just a little bit. Because of that, sometimes I get a little bit of like dirt or makeup kind of stuck in between my nail, my natural nail, and the nail. That does bother me a little bit, but all I did was go out to the grocery store and buy a small little 99-cent nail brush that I keep at my sink or sometimes take into the shower with me, and I give them a nice little scrub about once a day. All that dirt and makeup comes out. It's not an issue. I was worried originally the first time I tried the nail brush that it would mess with the adhesive, and I haven't had a problem with that. The next con is that the adhesive can sometimes come out from underneath the nail. Like I said, it's a gel adhesive, so it's almost kind of like what comes on like a credit card or a card in the mail that you peel off of the piece of paper, that gel adhesive that sticks on the back. It almost kind of feels like that. This past time when I wore the nails, I was in the water a lot. I completely cleaned out the fridge and I spent a lot of time in the pool since it's summer now. So I did have the adhesive coming out from underneath the nail it happened about a week in. The other time that I had the nails, it didn't happen until I got very, very close to the 2 weeks. And just a little bit started coming out from underneath the tip of my nail and off to the side. It's not a big deal, and it wasn't a big deal to me so it's just like the little gel started coming out, and all I did is just kind of grab it and get rid of it, take it out from underneath the nail. I was a little bit worried that maybe, I thought that this was probably because I was in the water a lot more. They do say that the adhesive is water resistant, but that was the biggest difference between the first time I wore it and the second time. I was worried that maybe this would cause the nails to come off sooner, but like I said, I went one day over 2 weeks and then had to pry them all off. Not because they looked bad, but just because I was tired of them and I was ready for something different. So as long as the adhesive coming out doesn't bother you, it's not a big deal. The last con that I have is that your hair can get stuck underneath the nails. For some people, this is going to be a deal breaker. I had my cousin try these nails a while back, and her hair did get stuck underneath her nails, and that was a no-go for her, and she pried them off right away. Your hair can get stuck underneath them because they are sitting on top of your nail. Like I said, they're not flush with your nail. The place where your hair would get stuck is underneath, like by where your cuticle area is, where the start of the fake nail is. When you're shampooing or running your fingers through your hair, it can get stuck. Mostly this begins to happen worse for me as I'm wearing the nails and the adhesive is starting to wear off a little bit. It does happen a little bit in the beginning, but you just need to be aware of it. For me, the nails look so nice and I love the way they look so much that I'm just really careful with it. If I'm brushing my fingers through my hair, I won't pull it out this way. I'll kind of pull it out, pull it in a little bit, and I just try to be a little bit more careful. Have had times where I have brushed my fingers through the hair really fast, not thinking about it, and it did pull out a strand of my hair. But like I said, I just try to be a little bit more careful, and this isn't a deal breaker for me because I work around it because I like the nails so much, but it could be a deal breaker for you. So that's just something that you have to think about if you are considering trying these nails. For me, based on all the pros and the cons, these nails are totally worth it and completely live up to the hype. I love them. For the price, they are amazing. You get almost professional looking nails for around $6. They look really good and they last a long time, and I can live with the small cons and adjust the way that I brush my fingers through my hair because to me, they are worth it. They look really nice. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it helps you decide if the Impress press-on nails are right for you. If you did enjoy today's video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up down below. Also, comment below and let me know, would you give the Impress nails a try? If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you never miss a video. Thanks for watching my very first beauty video, and I'll see you in the next one.